Mga kasangkayan, fellow plant lovers and gardeners, maupay nga kulup hayo nga tanan or good afternoon to all of you. This is Wangs and we are very lucky today because we will be able to see this Hoya species blooms in 3 stages. So we'll be able to see when it is just about to open, second one when it's already in full bloom, and the third one when it is already about to shut down or close. So and also we are very lucky today because we already have the proper ID or proper identification of this plant. So look at this, ganito yung itsura niya when it's already in full bloom. So para siyang mga stars, actually dapat ano to ball of stars, kaya nga lang hindi siya nabuo, kaya hindi siya bilugan ngayon. So ganyan siya when the blooms is already in full bloom. So ito namang nasa ilalim, this is how it looks like when the buds are still closed. So ganyan. So nakikita nyo yung difference pagbukas na at pag close pa siya, gaya ng isang peduncle na to na may ilang buds na close ba. Ito naman, ito pag malapit na tong mag-close, bumabaliktad yung iba niyang mga petals pa ilalim. Ito naman, this is how it looks like when the blooms is starting to shut down or close. So ayan, malapit na siyang mag-totally closed and expect the next day or next morning ay naglalaglaga na siya. So ganyan. And by the way, the proper identification of this Hoya is Hoya benguetensis. Ito naman, ayan, in full bloom pa rin siya. So that would be all for now mga kasangkayan. Maupay nga adlaw haiyo nga tanan.